Good time to read my email. Let's see what we got here. Is this what I've been waiting for? I think so. Congratulations, you're invited to a special record player viewing showing to see the two classic machines on display. It is! You'll be allotted 30 seconds of time to look upon the machines. A man with a stopwatch will let you know when your time runs out. Those are the two machines I've been wanting to look at. It's about 3 or so hours away, but it's worth the trip. I am going! I'm making my plans. What a privilege. First, I've got to walk to get my ride. That takes about 45 minutes alone right there. I don't know why the wind has to be blowing in my face in the direction that I'm walking. It's cold today. Oh boy. Oh, I'm freezing.
Hey, mister, we're just asking people, do you eat food?
Of course I eat food.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Can you
I
imagine?
eat it every day. Yeah.
Oh, we.
You know what? I eat
Yeah,
food
I
too.
eat food.
Me too. Wow.
Isn't that something? You do too. Wow.
Wow.
It's something. It's amazing.
do I.
He eats food. Yeah, me
Yeah,
too.
That's a crazy
eats
question.
food.
I don't get that. Do I eat food? We're taking a 3-hour drive to look at two fascinating record players. We may spend a grand total of 10 seconds or 20 seconds to look at them. That was a fun trip. Now for our 3-hour drive back. I enjoyed those 30 seconds. I'm going to look at my email again. Yes, congratulations. You are now allowed to look upon the famous cassette player. You will have a grand total of 20 seconds. Whoa, that's a 4-hour drive. I'm doing it. That will be so fun. Oh, good.